Going
Where?
around.
Where?
Those red and blue, they're drones, right? Or planes? Are they planes?
Yeah, planes, honey.
Yeah, I suddenly realized, okay, that's too high.
There's a lot of them though. Maybe they're dropping drones out of them. That would be pretty cool if they did. It's flying around in a circle. Whoa!
Oh my gosh, I'm here!
Wow. Happy 2024. That was awesome. Oh. And it's synchronized. The ones in different places are similar to each other. Happy New Year, everyone. It's crazy. Some of them are huge. I can see why there's a lot of planes around now.
Yeah. I really think they are drones.
No, they're not. Helicopters.
They're even like same fireworks, isn't it?
Huh?
Secretly, just same fireworks.
Yeah. Here in Flagstaff are the same. Yeah, they really are. Oh, I think I hear the kids. I think so. Happy New Year, honey. Happy 2024. Wow. Ending with a bang. Oh, there's actually more out there in the distance, honey. Over there.
I was saying that. That's why you should be here. There's
4 different locations, fireworks. That's crazy. And they're synchronized in these.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Four different fireworks.
Wow. This is insane. fireworks would love this.
Yeah, it's longer too.
Yeah, I can. All the helicopters flying around. There's like 5 of them, 6 of them.
Everything there.
Yeah, they're not drones anymore. They're really going all out. Wow, look at the amount of helicopters and planes that you think are drones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crossing each other's paths and everything.
It looks like the one in Flagstaff is better than the Docklands. The Docklands already stopped.
No, it's going.
Okay.
See? That's Docklands out to the right, Flagstaff to the left of that,
But
and
the
then
one on top of the building, I'm
the one
surprised.
the one on top of the building's the best.
Yeah, I don't know what area is that.
Whoa. Don't get something like this in a smaller city.
Anyway, I've never seen this in New Zealand.
I've never seen this amount of fireworks in my life.
Yeah. And we have our own view from the comfort of our house. Like, wow. That's crazy.
I've never seen it go on this long before. I can see why it's in the news around the world half the time now.
I mean, look at that.
I know, I'm capturing it.
Oh, that is an amazing